Now the protesters are at the embassy, and those people who see they are in on the front of the embassy trying to enter. The embassy has been closed. The embassy staff, I think they acknowledge that, and they are following our revolution that the embassy was going to be closed on the 31st of March 2015, and the embassy did so. They closed the embassy in response to our words. So those are genuine people who want to take passport and do business with the embassy of Zimbabwe there, and they are being closed entrance, and they are being searched and asked about their ID of what they want at that embassy, and those are genuine people. And yet these are the protesters. They are hiding so that when the door is open for those visitors at the embassy, the protesters will have the opportunity to run and go and talk to the ambassador. What the activist wants here is to give a petition about the abduction of Itai Dzamara in Zimbabwe, so that this can be seen by Mugabe, and he releases Itai Dzamara. That is what is in the letter, headed by the Zimbabwe, the lesser. I am revolutionarist Martin Chinyangata William talking to you, and you can see me there. I'm raising my hand and looking for the embassy to be opened, and basically, the embassy doesn't want to see people with banners and flyers and protesters around there. And now somebody has given us a call that the embassy is open. Please come and see your ambassador. So we are running there. We can see protesters running there. There we are getting entrance. We are getting inside the embassy, and hey, some awkward moment there. Friction.
Excuse me. Bring back Itai Dzamara. Bring back Itai Dzamara. The embassy is closed now because we want our brother who is in Zimbabwe. My name is Martin Chinyangata William. We want Itai Dzamara, restoration of human rights in Zimbabwe. So we are back. This embassy is closed. No more business. I told you that you should look on the website about the embassy focus. The focus saying there is a rainstorm today. And I don't know why you came back here to the embassy. The embassy is closed. We want bring back Itai Dzamara. Bring back Itai Dzamara.
At least let's have the ambassador to explain it to us.
Ambassador, can you come and explain to us? Bring back Itai Dzamara. We want right. Explain this to the media. The embassy is closed. Bring back Itai Dzamara, and that's it. You took Itai Dzamara saying that, yeah, we are taking you because you stole some cows, and then you put him in some Land Rovers.
Which is not true.
Which is not true. So it is also true that Itai Dzamara is inside this embassy. It is all true that we want our human rights. We are tired of being abducted. I'm 15 years without going back to Zimbabwe because there I step there, they take me. Here is my ground. Bring back Itai Dzamara. Bring back Itai Dzamara. Last time you called the riot police. The riot police, we are not doing any harm here. What we just want is to talk to you and you bring us Itai Dzamara. We are going to give you a letter. Katutu, can you bring the letter?
The letter.
Pasne ZANU-PF. Pasne ZANU-PF. Pasina Katukwere. Pasina Mnangagwa. Pasina Mnangagwa. Pasina Grace Mugabe. Pasina protesters at Squimba. Nas Takangonyara. We should just be silent for government city. Everybody is operator. We are not doing any violence for protest. No one is going to come out. If you want to join, guys, join us. Thank you very much. You are in Zimbabweans. Join us. Because we are fighting for you. We are fighting for your liberation. We are fighting for the oppression here.
Yeah, there's a video.
If we are doing things which are made, tell us we are made. Or we are right.
Yeah.
We are saying the truth. Are we not saying the truth?
Yeah.
This guy is now in the acid. As I talk, Itai Dzamara. Where is that? Itai Dzamara. Where is the poster for Itai Dzamara? Bring back there. He's in the acid at the moment. As I'm talking. He's in the acid. So we want him back. So I think you can see that we are right what we are saying.
We've got a problem.
We are just right. Thank you very much. So Mnangagwa, when he's sick, he goes to Malaysia. Mugabe, Gracie, Singapore.
Goes to Parenya in Singapore.
Yes, to Parenya in Singapore. So all those things, we are fighting for that. For our Zimbabwe, we are ready, want our country to clean. We are tired of being asylum seekers here. We want to go back to our country and enjoy and to develop our nation. Right. We are waiting for the police who are going to come. So I don't know if they are going to come because I don't think so.
I think we need the ambassador to come down here. We need to hand him the letter.
The letter. Yeah, we've got the letter. Don't forget, guys. We mustn't go back with it.
takabira watitiza haikuna mtu watitiza hata kuwaroa isu tunakutoa passport ambassador we just want passport
muri yake zvinezvi ikuita sei vana tu vadiki Taneta isina president munongwa
wauya mapulisa wauya
Sambe iri kupi
Where's the letter?
Anna David
hapana ari kubuda ende takanyara ndakuona kuti takona zvitaita sei takanyara
Quiet demonstration.
just be quiet they told us to be quiet
So you're not doing any
we're
harm?
not doing any harm.
How can somebody just disappear in his own motherland country in a barber shop?
And the day before yesterday, Mr. Shoro was about to be abducted
Yes.
again.
No.
So just like a system that
Yes.
is abducting people.
And
So
nobody-
enough is enough. This thing must stop.
Nobody is going to liberate us.
No, we need
Yes,
to want our country
we
to
have
be
to
free.
liberate ourselves.
Not just be scared of our country. No.
Hello. How you doing? Yes, how are you?
How you doing? Who's organising this demonstration?
It's me.
Can I have a quick one again?
Yes, yeah, I'm not going to leave my friends because you.
Okay, basically, obviously you're demonstrating today. This is the embassy itself in the country. So they're asking you to leave, so you're trespassing.
No, we are not trust. We are Zimbabweans. We are Zimbabweans. This is our house, and we are Zimbabweans. And you don't have the right to take us from our house here. And this is Zimbabwe grounds. This is not British grounds. British rule us outside, not inside. This is our right to be inside. We never break any property.
What's your name, sorry?
My name is Martin Chinyanga. Martin William Chinyanga. William.
You obviously want to demonstrate today.
It's not a demonstration.
It's not a demonstration.
We want to hand a letter to the ambassador, and we are just numbing ourselves. Did you see us talking before? Quiet. We just showing this ambassador. The letter to give to the ambassador.
So you just want to give a letter in?
Yes, we want to give it to the ambassador himself.
Bring him here.
Well,
The ambassador.
I don't know if he's in at the moment, but
Bring whoever is.
all you want to do is give a letter to the ambassador.
Yeah,
The ambassador, and we are here and we are standing here until we get our.
Hold dogs.
Masoja anodya. Masoja anodya zvino zviri mumabhegi. Then it will be good for us. And I feel like there is more drink there. Are you sure you don't want some? It's not poison. We are just good people. Please, join us.
I had a cup of tea earlier on and a cheese and pickle as well. And I did have a smoked salmon and cream cheese roll.
Is it? Okay, then. That's fine.
But thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let me put. What
We have to have video. Motra makaneo. Sampidu kuzipidu kuzi. Right. Yeah, yapi. Down with the murder, Robert Mugabe. Down with him. We need Mugabe out of the OAU chairmanship. We need Mugabe out of the SADC chairmanship because he is a murderer. We are afraid to go back to our country. He is abducting journalists and human rights activists.
Yes.
Everyone is not free. He is above the rulers, above the judges. So, leaders, you saw what we demonstrated inside there. I wanted to stay because you said, oh no, and we come to the democratic process of everybody. So we came back outside. And I promised to come back again. And I'm thinking that maybe I'll come myself so that I will not make a vote of one. I'll come myself there and I'll do hunger strike like Itai Zamara, Africa Unity Square. That is what I'm thinking. This is going far and this one is going to be closed. Up to Itai's back, my brother, the father of a daughter there.
I'll be there with
The husband of a woman there.
I'll be there.
We want him back. Why should we just be quiet when someone is enough is enough? Done. Since 2008, these things are happening every day and we thought it would stop, but it's storming again. The embassy, everyone who comes to the embassy should look for the weather forecast of the embassy. Either it will be raining or either there will be some desert storm or anything. So, this is our message here. We want anyone who wants to talk here.
Thank you. What's happening to Justina Mkoko now?
Enough is enough. Mugabe must go.
Yes.
It's just like a system.
Yes.
People are being abducted.
Our system
We
is
just want
Mugabe
Mugabe to go.
Mugabe must
These
go.
people are just abducting everyone. We need another parliament. Mugabe must go. We are tired of Mugabe. Enough is enough.
No one has been shot there.
We want Itai back.
We want Itai
Where is
back.
Itai?
We want Zamara back. We want Itai.
We want Itai.
We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai. We want Itai back. 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 We want Itai back.
We want Itai.
You murder us.
We want Itai.
You murder us.
We want Itai.
You murder us.
You
You murder us.
We want Itai.
You murder us. You kill us.
You kill us.
Whatever, if you just peep around the window, it's
Pass
actually
them never go.
Pasina Gracie. Pasina Nampoko. Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu, kana musena kunuza,
Teacher Peter Wakatabi. Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu, kana musina kunuza, Teacher Peter Wakatabi. Itaiwedu, tinoda Itaiwedu, kana musina kunuza. kumunza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi. Tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wakatavi itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kana musina kumuinza tichakuita wasatamu itai wedu tinoda itai wedu kumuinza
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can.
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can!
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can!
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can!
Zimbabwe!
Yika!
Bantu!
Yika!
Bantu!
Yilize!
Abantu!
Yilize!
Abantu!
Chisabamatisa!
Chisa!
Chisabamatisa!
Chisa!
Gachiche! Gachiche! Bobo yaramba! Yaramba yo bobo yaramba! Bona bobo yaramba! Bobo yaramba! Bona bobo yaramba! Bona bobo yaramba!
Roll for peace, justice and freedom. Roll for peace, justice and freedom. Roll for peace, justice and freedom.
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can.
Zimbabwe!
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can!
Zimbabwe.
Yika! Ilizwe! Kana tati ngachiche. Mugabe must go.
Mugabe must go.
To save Zimbabwe.
Mugabe must go.
Mugabe must go.
To save Zimbabwe. We are here to protest against the abduction of Itai Dzamara. This draconian government of Robert Mugabe has been doing these abductions with impunity since 1980. He facilitated the Gukurahundi. He facilitated the Marambachina.
What is Gukurahundi?
Gukurahundi
was the mass killing of the Ndebele people in the Matabele province of Zimbabwe.
Yes.
You can continue.
And then came the Murambachina, whereby they were destroying the people's
What
homes.
is the Murambachina?
Yes.
Murambachina was the unjust destruction of houses of Zimbabweans, houses of squatters. Everyone, any legal structure of Zimbabwe to live was destroyed. Every shelter of Zimbabwe was destroyed. You can go on later.
Yes, and it was not only the squatters, it was all mainly opposition party members whose homes were destroyed.
That's
simply
right.
because for supporting a different party.
Destroyed.
Yes, businesses were destroyed. Yes. Almost everything. As long as you belonged to an MDC or opposition, you were a victim. Now there's this abduction which is going on willy-nilly. Last week they wanted to abduct Zorwadza, a member of RO, and unfortunately they didn't manage. But again, we are saying to the international community, to all progressive listeners, that this is a government which is a member of the United Nations. The Declaration of Human Rights in 1951 does not support abduction in any sort. So this is why we are protesting. We are not only protesting for ourselves, we are protesting for the people in Zimbabwe because they are gagged. They cannot talk. They have no voice. Each time they try to voice, they are abducted, they are killed, you disappear, or you are beaten.
Thank you.
Right. Also, I want to say, as we come to try to close this facility of Mugabe, we remember South Africa before, when it was in apartheid rule. South Africa was saved by people who were outside South Africa. They used to go in South African embassies around the world and try to close that regime which was apartheid. And their voices was heard by the United Nations, by the Queen. Our voice is going to be heard by the Queen. And that is our aim. When the Queen hears this, she will know the person whom she gave the key to Rhodesia was not the right person. The Queen needs to give the keys to the right person, the right people of Zimbabwe. Mugabe is a Malawian citizen, if I can say. That's why he is too cruel for Zimbabweans. He doesn't know the culture of Zimbabweans.
Yes.
He doesn't know that when you kill somebody, you have Ngozi, and you need to go river. He doesn't know all those other things are just nothing to him. We are afraid to kill, to touch blood. Zimbabweans. We are docile. That's why we don't want war. We do peaceful things. We want bigger members, United Nations, United States of America, the Queen of Britain, to help us to take out Mugabe, to take all those kids from Mugabe. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yesikeni aramba kudzokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda. Yesikeni aramba kudzokera Ijipita nyika yeHuranda.
One other thing, recently, 2 days ago, they wanted to abduct another man who is standing for human rights in Zimbabwe, restoration of human rights in Zimbabwe. Because he is saying vendors can do whatever they want. And They ambushed him when he was driving with the same two vehicles which abducted his child. They beat him, they wanted to take him. He was saved by motorists who were around. People who were around it. What is happening? And they saved the Zorgwasa.
Enough is enough.
This is 2 days ago. Once Itai was abducted this month, and they are not even caring of what we are doing here. These members, they are lying. They are not even caring of what we are doing here.
I need to say something.
Okay.
Hello, sir. As I said, I'd asked them to send this letter, which they refused to accept any documentation at all. So, what would you like me to do?
I know that. I know you are going to sell out us, officer. I know you are going to sell out us.
Oh, I didn't. I said I would ask you to.
I know that. I hate that in my heart.
No reason.
Take it back, or I can put it in the police station.
We'll come back. We'll come back.
We'll come back. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your cooperation. This is fairness.
This
wouldn't happen in Zimbabwe. This wouldn't happen in Zimbabwe. It wouldn't happen at all.
Our message hasn't been reached to this dictator. It hasn't been taken out to this dictator. We are helpless everywhere. What can we do?
No, it's because you are powerful, you know. It's because you are powerful.
We will be back. We will be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. We will be back. We will be back. We really like that you are closing these doors. We will send our spies to open the doors for us. Like what we did today. They opened for us. We will do the same thing. We will be back. We will be back like lightning. Pasna Mugabe. We will be back with our sacrifice. We will be back to give them that letter. We will be back.
Thank you, officer. Thank you very much, officer.
We're coming back to hand in this letter.
He has to accept it.
Until they take the letter.
He's got something to hide. That's why. Criminals.
I think we need to start with that. You know, physical letters. 300,000 letters they sent to Mexico. Yes, and those 300,000.
It's allowed, don't worry. Yes, we can hear Ramba Kuzokera Injipita Nigaye Uranda. Yes, we can hear Ramba Kuzokera Injipita Nigaye Uranda.
Yaramba Kuzokera Injipita
Yaramba Kuzokera Injipita Uranda. Oh, yes, we can hear Ramba Kuzokera Injipita Nigaye Uranda.
Yaramba Kuzokera Injipita.
Oh, yes, we can hear
Yaramba Kuzokera Injipita.
Wait for them to come to the
Down with those who oppress the truth. Yesterday, I read an article in the newspaper, and they are saying, they are lying, that MDC is coming to storm the embassy every day. And if these people are thinking it's MDC, it's not MDC, it's the people of Zimbabwe who are in UK who are storming the embassy. The people of Zimbabwe, we are not led or controlled by Tsvangirai. We are doomed because of our hearts. Our hearts are controlling us. The desire for our brother to be back with us is the one which is sending us inside there. That pressure. It's not MDC, it's not anything, it's a group. MDC included. Zapu, Vigil, Yes We Can. Many people, diaspora fusion, all the NGOs are participating in the raid of embassy to free Itai Tamara. It's not an organ, it's our organization of everybody. So want to correct if there is any journalist here who is sending signals which are lies. And that person also who was in the forum and told the embassy about our coming.
Taking the other way around.
Povo yaraba, povo yaraba, povo yaraba, povo yaraba, povo yaraba, povo yaraba.
No, I'm just waiting there. Can I? Thank you. Thank you very much.
We're not going to keep the jet because the police are here. We are going to tell this jet in our secrets. Now, when we are stopping there, when I come back, I'll come with my 4 lawyers who will tell the police that these people have got the right to be inside there. Yes. Yes, we are in our house. Yes. I'll come with my 4 lawyers there. Please, friend. Please, on our side. I
Of
know
course.
they are on our side.
Thank you. Right. Marita,
Huh? What did you
South Africa.
Zangwai.
Yes, Vin.
21. That's all over.
Tulopesa ikokoka. Yeah. Thank you.
Friends, we are going to South Africa neighbors now. We are not going to take
You want this one for yes we can wear it side?
Yes, yes.
Take it, God, out of Sada.
Yes, ma'am. Ndiamati mai.
Let's go to South African embassy and do some little bit of shouting there. We want Mugabe. Yes.
Right.
Katilibiza umhlangano nge-Easter Saturday.
I see you.
Ah, uthini manje.
I know.
Easter Saturday bakithi. Ngabe like lathi ke siyekubona. Sikhulekela ilizwe.
Idandi khonza ngesandi.
Hayi sikhonza ngeSunday but Easter anti sikhonza every day singamaroma from Friday inkonzo until Sunday.
You allow it to go together. They will submerge me there.
Right.
Let's go to the police. They want to know. Yes, yes. These are my bodyguards. When you put me there, they will not know where I am. Because we want to go, we have got another mission. South African embassy, one side.
We are coming.
Oh no, they'll just stay outside. Wait.
We are coming from a country which has got a lot of human rights abuses and abductions. So we are afraid.
Angazi. Hamba neze group sithathe kuhle. Chifamba as a group so that we take a picture.
guys can't come in is because sometimes people report very sensitive things in there, just respect their privacy, burglaries and that sort of thing. So that's all. I appreciate that. So I think William said you guys were going to be in the South African games. Is that something?
That's the normal routine. Okay. Yeah, we end up in South Africa.
That's fine.
We don't go in like what?
Yeah.
Just get out.
Obviously, I spoke to most of you now. Okay. From the police point of view, it's very difficult when rushing through.
My only wish is if only Zimbabwe police so cooperative and understanding like you guys.
Exactly.
There is no rule of law. Otherwise, saying this in front of everybody else, God knows what will happen next.
Oh, yapinda ega here. Why? That's not the British way. Munano akampano na somebody. That's the British way. You don't let him go alone. Chita ma placards ga tikutore pa maprisa.